What's up, guys? Bryce is over there with his cut lip because he can't shave for his life. We're back. If you know, last time we had a video on the channel, it was when I owned a WRX. I no longer own that. I own that right there. If you can see it, hopefully. This is a 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500 LTZ. And Bryce over there has a, get that there, a 2018 Chevy Silverado 1500 Custom. So, we'll be doing some stuff on the trucks on the channel now because we have projects for them. So today, both trucks are actually going to be in the video because we're kind of doing a swap on them. So, I got this fancy grill here for my truck. We'll unbox it then and I'll show you it. But currently I have a, I'm gonna call it an eBay special because that's where I got it. An eBay special grill. Previous owner rhino lined my chrome grill. We peeled the rhino liner off because I didn't like it and it ruined the chrome and peeled the chrome plating off. So I bought this to just replace it, but Bryce likes this grill. I do like the grill, but I personally had another grill in mind for a while, so we're gonna put the grill on that I got. Bryce is actually, we're gonna paint this one and we're gonna put it on his truck, which I think it'll look good painted black on a white truck, in my personal opinion. So, obviously, first step's gonna be to pop all these clips. Taking my handy dandy flathead, and it's small, but it'll work. And then we're just gonna pop these. Well, maybe.
Getting them?
Here. I can't do the whole camera and pop it.
Or whatever.
So we're gonna pop all these clips. Now, if you have never touched this grill, you will have to pop these four in the front out. Okay, Bryce popped all those out. And then this just pops right out. Well, if you can get it all.
You gotta get it up over.
No, you're missing a clip.
Is there any down there that I missed?
You forgot a clip. I lied. There we go. So, pop that out. And we'll just lay it to the side here.
I'm gonna clean that.
And then you have access to all of this bolts for your grill. You're gonna take these 4 bolts out. They're a 10 mil.
I don't want to break.
Well, that's what I was concerned about on the side over there. It's held in on the side one. So this is where it's caught on that side, this one right here. There it goes. And then we'll pop out the bottom ones without breaking the grill. And unplug these. I don't know how much we caught of that because my other camera, I have an A7S2, that was overheating. It's pretty hot out, so obviously we took the grill out. See over there, we have this wiring harness
That I'm cutting right now.
that he has to, you're not cutting the wiring, he's cutting the zip ties. And we're gonna disconnect it from the fuse box. So Bryce just cut that. We had it wrapped around this. I just keep it clean. We gotta pop these off, obviously. And see, this is where it was tapped in. It's a tap fuse. It's 15 amps. Pop that out. Pop this out.
Yeah, we can. Let me get this out of here first.
Just tighten that back up.
You did tighten it back up?
So, Bryce is going to inbox my grill. It's actually packaged really well. We already kind of opened this, so it was really actually wrapped nice and styrofoamed and all nice and fancy.
Bring it over here.
And we're gonna unveil the new grill for the truck. We're gonna unwrap the grill. I went with this brand specifically because I already have their wheels on my truck, and I couldn't beat that. This grill required no drilling whatsoever. And you're all about to see. So, we went with the RBP NDX Grill, which means it's no drill, no cut, no nothing. Update, so I don't know what it is. I think it's all aftermarket grill companies. They put these little clips on here. They don't fit. They do not fit at all. They don't clip in. So, Bryce is gonna take his grill off. I already put my OEMs on my other grill. So we're just gonna take this grill off and we're gonna take the clips off of it. So this is what we're talking about, popping the grill.
Bottom popped out.
This is with the pry bar.
Take this.
Well, large socket. Update, we took Bryce's OEM grill off, obviously we filmed that. We took these clips off. I only needed 6 of them. So we only took 6 off and we put them on the RBP grill.
It's fucking.
We're gonna pop the bottom in first. One in. That one's in. They're all in. Bottoms are all in. So, we're gonna go ahead and get the sides in now and line the top. There's also this little tab here. You gotta line it up or else it won't go in. That's in. Bryce gotta step in with muscles.
Is it lined up?
I guess. And now it sounds like it's lined up. There we go.
It wasn't. I had to move it over more.
This is the new grill, RBP. We're gonna put these clips, the bolts back in, and then obviously put the thing back on, and then this grill will be done. And this truck is done for today.
Alright, so Georgia's putting hers back in. I have these yellow lights out already. Amber lights out. Pull this out. Can you feed this to me? I got this.
So we're tapping into, I think, his parking lamps.
I'm gonna go into whatever's easier to get to with the box. So wait, where's the box?
It's 29 and 28.
Is that these two right here?
Yeah, right above that one.
I took the fuse, put it in one of my, I believe it was
Parking lamp.
one of the parking lamps. So if this works, I'll cut a notch in my box. And then I'll run this up through I'll cut this some more back so I can put it, because it has to be underneath metal.
It's probably been 20 minutes.
Oh, hold on. Okay, now. Everything should be tested. Now we should be able to test it and see what it's.
Plugged in the fuse box, grounded on up here on this bolt. See if this lights up. Can you see it on camera?
Here we go.
Ooh, it's on.
Right? There we go. Crimp my wire, so I cut like a little notch.
Can't see with your hands.
In my fuse box. Now it seems like it's not tight, or getting caught or anything. So now I'll take this box off and trim it up a little bit, make it look a little nicer. And then I can, once the grill is dry, then I will make this all look all nice.
I know it goes in.
It's in.
There we go.
A little loose. How much slack is left down?
There's a little bit of slack. Don't pull too much though.
Yeah, I don't want the lights. I think it's about as good as it's gonna get, to be honest with you.
Alright guys, so it's like a couple hours later. We both are showered and not sweaty anymore, and it actually cooled off a lot since like, what was that, 1 o'clock or something, 11, somewhere in there.
What, since we started?
Since we like finished. So we want to wait till it got a little not as bright to show you finished product on both. Obviously you see the blue truck behind me. But so blue truck with RBP Grill. There's the finished product. Came out really nice. I actually ran this through the car wash on 2. Top of that, so it's got some other things coming, so that's not done. And then the white truck, it actually, whoa. And then we have the white truck with the, are you gonna put your lights on now that they're working? They weren't working earlier, and I had to mess with the plugs to get them to work, but they work now. Bryce could turn them on now. So they come on with his headlights and they believe they're the running lights. So Bryce and I are gonna close this video out now. We should have another video like right after this one, because I have stuff for the blue truck yet to install, and then we have a bunch of other stuff that's going to be coming to install, and we got some surprises for that white truck in front of me. So we'll see you guys next video. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button to see more content.